a steak, how to fry a steak. Because of pride in me, I decided to not to take the advice or the way how to fry a steak. So he said to me, this is how we fry a steak, and to me it seemed, or it looked like it's taking time. So what I did was, I said to him, no, we cannot fry the steak like this. We cannot take time frying steak like this, because the clients most of the time, or the customers most of the time, they are in a hurry. So we cannot, they cannot even wait for more than 5 minutes. And guess what? Because we're ignorant, and when we were starting to run the trailer, our husband gave us the tips on how to run the